I want to start running a mix up. No, you look a mix up and drama. I should pick out lash them to blood clad. I really need to pick up.
One shoulder move. Yes, people, welcome to the channel. Appreciate your time and most definitely, thank you guys for joining us. Yeah, again, me apologize for the voice, because from the carnival yesterday and all these things, yeah, man started what's up, yeah. Yo, the biggest thing I go on in America right now is this the eclipse. Yeah, the eclipse of the solar eclipse. So I hope you guys saw that and I'd get the experience. But the other big thing is Mr. Puff Daddy himself, P Diddy, who under whole heap of investigation, the feds them raid him house and all these things. I'm sure you guys been keeping up to date because it hard not to keep up to this. But how we get involved in this? Well, here comes Elephant Man. And if you guys haven't known, Elephant Man was signed to Diddy himself. Yeah, Diddy did sign Elephant Man as one of the big artists out of Jamaica back in the days, people, to Bad Boy Records. So yeah, so if you don't want to know how Ellie get all them big houses you see him on the hill, I want to know, you don't really see Ellie out the door too tough. Ellie really don't do the live thing, people. So when I have an opportunity to hear Ellie and give him one experience pan Diddy and the whole heap of the party them. I guess truth be told, the Jamaican artists were getting much more respect back then. Now our artists them just regurgitate whatever them era go on a foreign. But back then, I guess we were the it, and them did a follow we. So yes, them did a search Jamaica for the most and the talented people them out of yard. For give them the record contract and for send them to the world. This is how you have the Shaggies and the Cutty Ranks and the Patra and just and the Shabba Ranking, just to name a few. Yeah, people. A one shoulder move we be over here. Yeah. Join our community by, hitting the subscription button. Hit the notification also so that when we drop another bomb video, cause me drop the doozies them over here, we drop the doozies. Yeah, people. And we not really itch on this. Into the comment section, and let us know what you think about us, what you think about the video you're about to watch. And like we like to say over here, let's get on to the video.
I was just scrolling. One shoulder move.
From the Vietnam, coming from nothing to something.
Yeah.
Me I do at 97 reggae tip. Puff Daddy and Chris Tucker. I was backstage with Junior Gang them, Sean Paul. My time for go fuck up the stage and excuse my language. Them say P Diddy and him say, yo man, I come to sign you, Ellie. I mean, I say, what the money I talk about? What do you mean? I come to sign you. I say, all right. I say, watch me and man. I know New York people will come to on the reggae tip. Big up at 97 and everybody. They were there, if they remember the area, when I called P Diddy on the stage and gave him a big giant mampy. I had a mampy.
Yeah.
I had a rhinoceros and gave him a mampy.
Yeah.
I make them run and, I bring him down to our thing. Give him little roughness, him, and thing and rape. But you know, when Puffy signed me, you know how our things stay. I carry the whole of my friend them from dancehall go over there. Cause I had a studio for myself where I just thought me I do my production and
Yeah.
Puff Daddy party them, it never so deep for me go over Puffy side like party and no. Remember me say Queens, with the all of the party them are Queens and with the all of the party over Junior P all club. You know how I thing go. Me and Junior P when him to come at the club, him duck on the island, yeah. Junior P, wow, the play come in, brother. So we never catch another party something there with Diddy. First of all, if we do a party, everybody are gonna see that and that I go post. But and differently if we even go party, we don't care what them are doing after them side, but no, we never gonna party like that. Sir. You mad?
But attend none of Diddy party them.
No, sir. No, sir. First of all, remember to how him busy. Him have people who work at Bad Boy where I deal with my album. Other people who work at Bad Boy where I deal with my album. Him always all over the place. Remember him entry the tune, You never know Elephant Man was on Bad Boy. Whoa, 5-0. Search. And him today in the video, but threw him there all over the place. Him never get to make the video with me and Wycliffe. But no, bro, we never catch no party, bro.
Okay.
I never catch no party. I see him keep one with a big bed in the yard. I never catch none of them with one gun to the head. Big up P Diddy said you know why me a big up P Diddy said we. I don't business with where him a do and where him in. I just hope Father God help him out and you don't know. But P Diddy, when I did that album for him, Let's Get Physical, that's the first Grammy nominee album for O'Neal Bryan. That's the first Grammy nominee album. No people never know, say, never remember say, yo, me did nominate for Grammy with that album, Let's Get Physical for Bad Boy. So, yeah, you know.
So,
but at the end of the day, I never catch none of the party them, brother.
50. Let me ask another question though. 50 want to know where is the $20,000 that Diddy give Mataran?
When Diddy went to Jamaica, and Mataran did get the money there.
Yeah.
Me don't know how that did go, or it share.
You don't know which man will collect it.
Mataran, so did you collect it at one of the parties or
The hotel.
DJ Noah.
Did you go to his hotel to get a check signed or you got the cash in your hand? But I don't know if Mataran get 20 grand US and the whole Jamaica looking at the chop.
Share the life, share the life, share the life.
Well,
Share the life.
well, right now, Noah,
Yeah.
I'm talking to my psychiatrist and I'm talking to my lawyers because we are planning for sue Diddy for stress, disorder, and all of that. Because we stress. So, I mean, Noah, me talk to some lawyers and them say we have a good case because what Puff Daddy did, I have nothing against Puff Daddy because I grew up in New York, you know that.
Yeah.
New York.
Yeah,
So nobody can tell me nothing about Bad Boys, Biggie Small, Puff Daddy. And my people, them there when it come on to music. Foxy Brown, the whole enchilada. When Puff Daddy came to Jamaica, from that day, Noah, I've not been the same. I'm stressed out because he nearly made the whole Jamaica kill me.
For the 20 grand.
Can you imagine, Noah? This is 6 days after Christmas. After them say Kickbridge kill me over Sting,
Over
right?
Sting.
So Elephant Man
Yes,
called me.
Ellie did write that song to another clash there. For Kippers.
Ellie called me, Kippridge. I said, Masaran, what you do? You gotta stress out your life over Sting, you know, win one and lose one. I do this. Me the over squeeze it.
Me not
Don't
talk,
link me now.
so
Where
you know,
you
brother. Oh, me not talk, so you know.
Wow.
Mataran,
But
me not talk, so.
Well, I
Mataran,
let me
I
talk
do
my
not
story
talk.
now. Let me talk my story now.
so why y'all talk like the man sounds? So the man that sounds so
Well,
When I use your voice, me not talk, so brother.
you know why me have to cry? Well, I know. Anyway,
share the life, share the life.
What me say? Car.
so,
What me say?
Kelly
What me
called me and said, what you gonna do? JR,
not talk.
the man said, what you gonna do? Stress out yourself, you lose one clash, you never win. Come.
Me
I
not
said,
talk, so you know.
all right, anyway. He said, forward. Me do over screech it. I want to you. Screech it. Then you hear a woman in the background. Ellie, hear him. Ugly woman here. That's around him up. Me know my friend. Him a go through him stress. Him only eat the red parrot them. If you eat the blue one, them of course. Got him have bone. Ninja Kid. So I go sabam. When we go over the beach now and park up 100 man. Yeah man, imagine the down the road and somebody do the road and so. When we reach around there, Ellie and a portion of people, so we go sabam man. You know I enjoy with life and then we get a call from Leng. Apparently Puff Daddy was in Jamaica from about 2 days ago. Him and the girl, the one we want to kill him.
Cassie.
Yeah. Him and her did at Jamaica, but them did their Mobile side. So me and Ellie them there over the beach and we enjoy ourselves. The man them call me and say, yo, them have a clash. Me say, Leng, how you do? Try set me up.
Serious clash.
Yeah. The man said, no, it's a quick class. I said, every day he come on the phone and I say, yo, I use the thing, man. I say, oh, we have a clash and me not prepare her nothing. So the man must say, no man, none of the sound them not prepare or nothing. So me forward, me say, Ellie. And Ellie say, how you mean? Go deal with it. So me go, so boom. Go over there. Anyway, we win the clash. Puff Daddy with him hype self now.
Yeah.
Tell me if me enough is sue him. People on the life, tell me if me enough is sue him. This is January morning when school just got open. Remember January 6th, this, you know. The foreigners, them, they are Jamaica. People spend them Christmas money. Puff Daddy with him hype self. Those hungry people.
Oh, so you get the money on the stage?
On the stage.
Him get the money live, man, and logo, kick one foot and take away 200 US. Yeah. Try run.
So, Mataran, honestly, Mataran, how much money, can you remember how much money you walked away with when the whole of the money I run? Because I think me did that there, no?
I
How
want
much money you walk away with, Mataran?
man.
When I don't give away, how much money you
All
walk
right,
away?
I could count out the money now.
Hear this now, the man can count out the money.
Then we don't can count out the money.
Brother, tell me how much money you walk away with, brother.
Nothing.
Yeah,
Nothing.
Yeah,
Nothing
man,
but 100
you now walk away with nothing. No.
Stop it,
You have
Mataran. Stop
money.
your Mataran. I'm bother with that. 20,000 US dollar, you know, walk away with nothing, brother.
No, me not get no tight. You can't get 20,000 in front of your hungry people and get
You believe that?
all right.
Alright, let me tell you when it here. Him get the money, jump in him van, look kick one foot dry mouth. When him I took him tire.
No, I make a start count. Make a start count.
Brother, we don't count your money, I lie.
No, but
Mataran,
all right.
at least 10 grand you walk away.
But I know the only way to prove me innocent is make a count the money real quick.
No, we don't want to count it.
No,
Look,
it matter.
alright.
Lord.
All right, let me give you a couple of the bill them out.
Dog, low it now.
Well, I'm gonna give you a couple of the bill. Me give 5,000 to Children's Hospital.
Okay, that's a good
5,000
deed.
to the US.
Yeah.
Me not hear about that. That number of the
In the couple of the bill.
you're no life save out of that 5,000. Hey,
Well, God no
deliver
like,
from your
Mataran.
well, God no like ugly, so me not tell no lie for myself. Then me give
Hold on.
1,000 US.
All right. You know, we're doing something like that, a very important thing like that, saving lives. We would have a little camera. Yeah, I'm giving 5 grand to
Yeah.
No, me just
children.
The
Me give
newspaper would have
You
talked
have no
about it.
video. You have no video. You have any newspaper clipping.
Me give
Yeah,
it
who want to see the footage, Mataran?
You have any news. All right. You give him 5 grand. You appreciate somebody and the manager.
Yeah,
for
give
the
it them
company.
Number. I'm going to call them right now. Give me the
Yeah,
number.
give me the number.
Give me the number.
Me
You
not
have
them
a call.
number. A Jamaica Children's Hospital.
Do you remember the manager name who you gave the 5 grand?
Boy, I never remember me just give the money.
Oh my God. This is the first 5 grand, you know, and this don't look like nobody get it, you know.
Yo, Ellie, me go call Bustamante.
Yeah.
And then, guess what? Me give Chris Diamond at the time was doing a charity for a little girl at Donny Park with a brain surgery. Me give them $1,000, but the little girl end up succumb to her injuries.
Yeah.
$6,000, Mataran.
Me give Rock 3 grand.
How much?
Jamaican.
3,000 US. To buy him a laptop.
No, man, hold on.
Mataran, come on. Who did I
The
mix?
money
Randy
are not
mix?
Randy that mix me.
Okay, give him 3 grand.
Because
All right. So hold on. 5. So hold on.
8,000.
No, 9
9,000.
9 that, bro. Remember him get when him a 1,000.
Yeah, that's a 9,000.
And him get the hospital 5.
You have
and
11 left,
that's
Mataran.
9.
all right.
Yeah.
The 4 sound we play. Make it each selector $1,000.
Oh, Mataran, I'm done.
No. Y'all are wicked boy.
Call me a cars. Footer.
Yo,
All right. 13 grand. Good. 13 grand. Yeah.
what is 7 then? Oh,
We have 7 grand left. To me, no magic. The dog go, bro. We have 7 grand left. 7 grand left.
7 grand left, Maggie.
Hold on.
The puffy
Only
money,
so me not give this
boy.
selector.
The puffy money I look away. The puff daddy money I look away, bro.
Yeah.
Eh?
The puff.
The puff daddy
Daddy
money
money
I
I look
look
away.
away,
Well,
dog. Go on
I
now. 7 grand
7
left.
grand left.
Yeah.
Make it enough 5 bills.
US. All right, Jamaican.
Yeah, are you US them give me be a US.
6-5.
Alright.
6-5
6-5
left.
left.
The boy with the dog bite him on.
No, I'm not the the boy with dog bite. Hey,
That
welcome to the people and boy with dog bite. Hey, boy, confirm
But
your money them.
count no man. Just count no.
What around? Which boy with dog bite is going to the dancer?
How much money you give? How much money you give
Call
boy
him
with that bite?
now. Call him with the dog bite. And the best thing you do for that bite up dog boy, you call him. That boy with dog bite up when you give 500 US. You don't know him when you give 500 US, boy with dog bite up a road side. Hey, Mataran, hear me, I say, man. Stop it, man.
Well,
Mataran, you disturb my peace. I go J. Cool say. You disturb my peace, my peace, bro.
Well, I know man. Uno
The boy with dog bite up.
Uno no
All
don't
right.
count.
All right, Noah. The boy with the dog bite up. Yeah.
How much him get? How much him
5
get,
bills.
Mataran? 5 bills?
All right.
You give a
So
man 5 bills a dog bite up?
I didn't know him. All right. We are sharing the money. Yeah?
What?
One.
6,000 left.
So we have 6.
Make it Michael. 5 bills. Cause them broke in the
Who
car.
is Michael?
Michael have the store a limelight there so. Broke the man glass.
Oh, kid.
You don't know Michael have the tattoo them.
Him name Kid.
Yeah.
Tattoo up with one Christian, yeah.
Give him
Like
5
a
bills.
5 left. 5 left.
5-5.
My police detail. My police.
What y'all guess?
My police detail. Look at them. King Alarm. Me have to give them money because they secure me.
No. How much?
Why me just give it me 2 bills and 3 bills and money.
So you give everybody 5 bills. And the man them who are your security, you give them 2 bills.
Yo, the kid, the kid there on the live, you know. Kid, try to give us money the boy in jail. The kid, I don't know what. The kid up on the live, kid. Try to pay how much money the boy in jail.
So kid not get no more
You never
money.
know for the fans them over here.
Well,
Before even him go up on the show, when Ninja Man walk out and stand up for 10 minutes with him stick on the stage and shot a fire, bomber drop, yellow faint, ambulance a turn over, image, Pinchers as a singer, just better than enough of the DJ them, image, Sanchez, one of the best dresser when it comes to blazers and them thing there, Wayne Wonder, Buju Banton, remember, big foot pants around the place now, at them man there, run them thing there, shabba them man there, see, and I have to give it up because dancehall come with fashion. How can I not forget my brother from another mother, Mr. Wacky? Bogle, condolence to my G, my friend. Bogle run fashion. A Bogle first away the vampire something them. You know the vampire clothes them with the big boot them and the something them for them finger. And the studs to
damn them town boot, man.
when I get trouble, Bogle say, LA, I don't want to give him the spike for my back and I hit him use boot ice them in a Bogle. You see the spike, the vampire something. And me never know them the Bogle away. Me always say, when get them? And when me start traveling, me see the vampire something them where the man check something and turn it to a film one thing. Bogle run image. Image come with dancehall. No, to the artist them need to get the thing together. Because when you see elephant man, when you text me dye my ear, you know what I'm saying? When me dye my ear, the first time when you see we run on past thing, I've never put back this in black. Me don't know how black hair look. Me never put it back in a black image because me I say to all the competition in a dancehall did Wicked, Buju Banton, we are par with Killer. You don't know. Killer send we to the forefront.
Beanie.
Me I say, you know what?
Me
I say, Beanie. The whole of the artists, them, me I say, we are going to want something to stand out. And me come up with the idea when me say, yo, make we die with ear. And me jump on my bike and call Harry Tadler. We go up on my scooter, we go to Sandra Lee, a Skateland. I say, lady, that's some yellow thing in that something and do what you have to do. Because I scare them, nothing can pretty boy. We done ugly already, so make we just go full ugly.
Yeah.
No joke, so. And then the clothes, the dressing come with it. So me always try put out that. And then, yo, bro, you're artist and you have hit song and people love you. You know if you look like Cokehead, bro. Yo, come on, man. Look, man. Look now. Come on. Bro, me shouldn't have live in too much chain. But the fans them, bro, them have to say, yeah, bro, make the fans them say, bro, yeah, man, at the end of the day.
No, how Elliot try though? How Elliot try though? Go round me.
What
No.
on? I want to get that big top on jacket here. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Go round.
So,
Elliot.
All right, my boy. All right, we done.
No.
yeah, the man go blaze up.
A close one tonight. No, let me see. No, let me see what you have on. No.
Brother, we now follow Mataran, you know. We just have on a t-shirt, you know.
No, I get that shirt like him on the painting. We can't do that shirt. Oh, no, look like the painting. On the painting. Yo, Noah, can't go for your jacket, man. Question, Noah. Like I got the painting. Me not like it. Me not even know matter and have them clothes. No, man. Watch on the box clean. No, you never come out for the life. People, tell me how to put on one and blaze at them, please. No, I'm not doing it. You're the speaker. You can't make matter and clean. I'm not having it. You make power king and lead you. No, sir.
Yo, Elliot, for million of the man say me have on a shirt like me I do painting.
No, you look like when we done the live, like you have a house to go paint. Me not like that.
Yeah. That was
Yo, share the live, people, share the live. But
anytime Zara lock from Bomber Rascal matter and him in a trouble. You see all them Scooby-Doo shirt and them Ghostbusters shirt. Right now, if them say Zara I go lock, cause remember him no go designer here no me not too go designer. Cause the boy, remember him slim enough, so it's a boy. The designer them fit him. Him no want to see that. Zara till him dead be 18 bag out of Zara. $1,500 them dead.
yeah, see Polish are early out there, Ellie.
Oh,
Polish.
Polish have asthma. Polish. Yo, the baddest mixer in the world. Listen me. Noah, Polish. No, why me say my asthma in the Noah? One day to my asthma, cause him hardly talk. Him always a mix and him cool and you are the one who always the ray. So, but after me travel Polish man, Polish one of the baddest mixer in America, baddest selector. Him and Noah.
your friend there. Your friend Andrew right there.
Oh, kid. Me not like him. Yo. What you talk, kid? What play with the selector? You wear beer jacket?
Yeah.
Ellie, you mix up the man them name, brother. Entourage are the third one.
Kid from Bronx. The one them from Bronx.
No, kid at the back.
Show me him for a second. Tell him.
No, Entourage are the one who they talk to today.
Oh, the fat big belly selector you. Oh, yeah. No, then no our G man. No our G man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Well on, people. Well on, Noah.
yeah.
No, let me say something. All the fans out there, you are getting the elephant that we run from. Elephant.
Listen.
No.
Mataran.
I don't know
You
this.
know why me not turn on my phone and go live sometimes? It's like me not too go for the negativity. You see a star. If the fans them a see you, bro, me I come from nothing to something. If the fans them a see you, why can't just make the fans them have a good time? Why can't you put on the elephant? No, tonight I'm not elephant, I'm only Brian. Why can't we?
But they don't.
Why can't you? Why can't the artists them drop the little bullshit and the hype thing and we just entertain the fans, entertain the people, make the world better? You understand? Everybody, like, bro, me not got negativity. Me make my fans them say like how me perform. I saw my attitude and my character stay and my spirit. I'm a people person and we make people full joy themselves and we not got the negativity and we not do that something there. You understand, bro? So You know the chat, but that's why sometimes I don't like me, I want to turn on my life for my fans them, but me just can't take. Sometimes when I see a float running in the ear, the little bag of bad, you know, vibes, me not really go feel.
Bad energy them.
One question.
Yeah, me not really go feel.
Ellie.
So love the fans them, bro. I them put over with them.
Ellie,
Mataran.
one
Remember the first time I know you, hold on. The first time I know you, as a little youth, I come my new lads and I say, yo, I want to know Tony Mataran. Them carry me go new lads up a one train line like them are cut me short. Me see one boy now on board house, account out some record. Me say, what Tony Mataran? Them say, see him, them say, oh, what kind of poor house this man I live in? We are run the whole place. Him live for one train line now on board house. So me I say, him not live nowhere. Them I say, no man, him just a look for record. Talking about clothes, people. You never know. I said no, I'm only for clothes. Hold on. Me say no or not. Where they now on green. Me know some fans them see one green leather shirt and one green leather shorts, and the boy find the green sock, and the boy find the green socks with one check. Come on, him win. We game it.
Win.
Him win. Him win. Entourage. You have it. Big up the selector them. We are dressed good about the people them. And the people them.
Hold on.
Ellie.
Hold on.
So you're saying that when you are forward America, Mataran at them time there, a star, and you want me
Brother,
the person.
when me a forward America, this man here, King of this is the biggest sound. The first time you know Noah, I see me in a movie like, you know, the little Brooklyn movie
Last
them,
Man.
where them go now.
Yeah.
Yeah, where them go now. Fried dumpling and callaloo. Me don't know if you get paid. So we see you with a box of fried dumpling and callaloo eat. Me never know if you get paid. Cause that's the you get paid. And that's how me know you're from.
Hold on.
But no, me that cry, cause me after, yo, we can't do something for him. Where man up on the train line here, that board house there?
Hold on. No, hold on. Ellie, hold on.
New lots of train line. Me don't know for it. Them bring me go one place named New Lots with one train line and the board house. And me say, you don't live nowhere. Them I say, no, Ellie, I record him. I'm not like that.
Hold on. Got it. Hold on. Ellie, hold on. No say nothing. Noah. Where them man that elephant all day people
No.
attack we
I
get
don't know, Ellie, all
what
the
them, you know.
look, the
Them
speaker
not going up.
the house asked me something. When I explain out the all those on the train line for,
We never
the man asked me something. How you meet me? No, how me know you? Can me tell him how me know him? Me see him.
leave this son. We don't book it out in there.
The people look at me see me all up on the train line. What a great, you have no Bible. Swear. You in the house fight.
Yeah.
So that's how I know the great Tony Mataran, a old board house and a train line, one place named New Lots. Cause I never know foreign like that. That's how me know him. Me know Noah in a some movie when I sell. Yeah.
For the record, I live in a 5-bedroom apartment in Poughkeepsie, New York. When I come down to New York,
Far, that the upstate. Me I tell you when I come see at the board house on the train line. That's how I meet you.
What are Ellie?
Ellie.
When I want to ask you, because I want to bad enough. Here what I rate with Ellie. Ellie is a man where him believe in an image and him keep it real. You remember the first time? Can you remember this, you know? Why you keep it real, you know?
yeah.
The first Ellie. Remember the first time you meet Cranium and Cranium act like fire. What you said to him?
We're over the place name have the bag of ride them. Over Jersey. What name? And them keep them show them over them and some man with a flag, 3 flag, 4 flag, 6 flag. 6 flag. I have a youth to that song where I run the whole place. Nobody nothing knows me and you are taught. Nobody now. When me look, me see one boy side of me like himself, kiss come. Me say, how would a boy are? Them a say, Ellie, one man who look like himself, kiss come. Me say, I know cranium this. I know cranium this, boy. Me a go kill a man. Only don't put me singer. Me call him one side and say, you see that ear there? That's some dynamite. Right now him ear die up. Me say, ear what? Rasta, You can't manage this boy with a pretty vibe. Yeah. Leave this thing alone. PPR, where
Pee-wee.
GP, PP, something like that. Yeah. Leave this thing alone. Where you get them all close? They give singer. Go on, you gotta allow him. Singer, come here. Me, I got a dressing. Got a clothes. Here what you do. Turf is nothing. Image is everything. You allow them big pants. You go fit some look closer pants. I'll say that you can grab some designer. That's something like that here then. That's look a color in my ear. Ask him. I'm a singer. Big up to me singer. Big up to Cranium. We just step on the live. But have fun.
Twitch.
No, this Twitch can't just to save him life. Twitch will kill me, Turkleck. Right now, listen me. Me fed up on Twitch and Turkleck them. Twitch, yeah, the girl them. Ellie, I'm gonna save him. Move on to Twitch and leave me alone. Me fed up Twitch and Turkleck them, bro. Here, Mataran, Ellie, me I keep my parties. Tell Twitch, please don't wear the Turkleck. Me. One. If Turkleck stop wearing right now, Twitch image mash up. I even run Turkleck. Big up Super.
Junior piece.
Big up Super.
Junior piece. Wall up.
No. Junior P is the cleanest and the bushest man with him and an artist. Listen me. People, if Junior P have one hit song, him rich. What a man have image.
No, Junior P have image.
Bro, listen me. When Shabba have a show and Junior P did a Shabba threat. Yo, Ellie. Hear me now, Ellie. Yo, the youth name Junior P, B. The man imitate me, B. Yo, tell Junior P. Yo, tell the promoter lock him out, B. The man take with it, yo. Bro, yo, Elephant Man, tell Junior P. Yo, hear me now, Junior P. When get them clothes there, yo. Junior P, follow me or something. Everything me wear, yo. Junior P, leave me thing them.
Well, Ellie, watch out.
Junior P, Junior P run just in front of my youth. Yo, listen me. When Mataran them there in New York, I don't know how close something go. Junior P, them have it locked. I don't know who him have a thief close to him. Junior P, them man they run close. Junior P run close, man.
Ellie, so this is one is serious now, you know.
Yeah.
So, we're not talking
What
about
I know, man.
from
What I
Shabba.
know,
Yeah.
Well, I make a lot. Well, I make my Muslim blood. Well, I know.
But Noah, remember, I wish I had there when you crash and the steering running at you. That time with him belly, remember what steering running at you. Yeah, all you see my boy Kim Tough, him not get better good. Remember what steering running at him. What? The steering wheel in his shoulder, that's why I'm feeling. That's why I'm not feeling anger, sir. Give me this.
Yo, Bill, dog.
Hey, what the boy cut your last, sir? Oh, cut your last.
Yeah.
Well,
Cut him down, cut him, yo. Oh, cut him a time the life. What cut you did?
Yo.
And I
Cut your laugh.
Noah,
Place, man.
Noah, you know me not like where you matter and move. Why am me alone who now have a talk and a rail? So own now. Wow.
No. Remember the people I'm used to we. The people I'm used to we. Me go get back to the image, Ellie. Me go get back to the image.
I'm answering all the questions. I'm answering.
All right, so
the fans them there.
So Ellie.
Yeah.
We're not talking about Shabba and Supercat days then. I don't know. You have it. The Shabba and Supercat days is yeah.